Want to customize YouTube TV's Quadbox Multiview feature to watch multiple games or shows at once? It's a great way to stay on top of all the action, and I'll show you how to set it up. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Start watching any live event, sports, news, or anything else. During playback, look for the Multiview icon, which looks like 4 squares in the corner of the screen. Click on it to activate Quadbox mode. Once Multiview is active, you'll see one main screen and 3 smaller screens below it. To customize the feeds, click on any of the smaller screens to swap it with the main one. You can also browse other live channels by selecting Add Channel or Swap Channel from the menu. This lets you pick exactly what you want to watch in each quadrant. If you're a sports fan, Multiview works especially well for keeping up with multiple games at once. Just make sure your internet connection is strong enough to handle streaming 4 feeds simultaneously. YouTube recommends at least 25 megabits per second for smooth performance. And that's it. Now you know how to customize YouTube TV's Quadbox Multiview. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.